In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CORS error in Firefox. We will walk through a few simple checks that usually clear this error so your site can load correctly again. First, refresh the page. Look at the tab where you see the CORS error message or where the page failed to load. Make sure that tab is active so Firefox knows which page to reload. A refresh forces Firefox to request all the resources from the server again, instead of relying on what it tried a moment ago. Now press Ctrl and R together if you are on Windows, or Command and R together if you are on a Mac. When you do this, you should see the loading spinner on the tab, and the address bar might briefly highlight as Firefox sends a new request. If the page loads normally after this, the CORS error was likely a temporary hiccup in the previous request. Once that reload finishes, try again. Interact with the page in the same way that originally triggered the CORS error. Maybe you were clicking a button that sends a request, or opening a specific section of the site. Do the exact same action so you can see whether the error still appears. If the page now behaves normally, you are done and you can keep browsing without changing anything else. If the error is still there, we move on to clearing the Firefox cache. Click the horizontal three-line icon near the top right corner of Firefox, often called the menu button. When you click it, a drop-down panel opens, showing several items like New tab, History, Downloads, and Settings. This confirms you are in the right place to adjust how Firefox stores site data. From there, go to Settings, click the word Settings in that same menu panel, and Firefox will open a new tab with a long list of options on the left side. At the top, you may see sections like General, Home, Search, and Privacy and Security. The Settings tab is where Firefox keeps all its controls for performance, privacy, and site data. Next up, select Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. When you click it, the main area on the right changes and shows sections such as Enhanced Tracking Protection, Logins and Passwords, and Cookies and Site Data. The Privacy and Security area is where Firefox decides what to remember about the sites you visit and what to clear. At this point, look under Cookies and Site Data and click Clear Data. A small window appears showing two checkboxes, one for cookies and site data and another for cached web content. The cached web content is what most often affects CORS behavior, since it can keep old responses around. As a beginner tip, you can usually leave cookies checked if you want to fully reset, but remember that will sign you out of sites. After that, restart Firefox. Close all Firefox windows so none remain open in your taskbar or dock. Then open Firefox again from your usual shortcut. When Firefox starts fresh, its cache is cleared and any cached CORS-related responses are gone. Now revisit the same site and repeat the action that caused the CORS error to see if it is resolved. You have just refreshed your page, cleared the Firefox cache, and restarted the browser to fix a stubborn CORS error. If this helped you get your site loading again, a quick thumbs up goes a long way, and feel free to subscribe for more Firefox fixes like this.